Hi, this is Aprille Walker at the Yoga Ranger Studio, and today I wanted to share with you a brand new exciting project that I have started this year, and I want to invite you to join me in this new member community. So for me, the word community is far more important than anything else. I want to make sure that I want to help people connect and get to know each other, share their experiences, maybe meet some people that they can have friendships outside, or just kind of share their ideas and what's going on in their lives and connect people around the world together in a community sharing mutual interests. So that's what this member community is about. I have taken 100, and probably more of them will come, but 100 of my YouTube videos, I have remastered them for sound, also to cut some of the end stuff off and the beginning stuff off to make it a pure practice experience, so you just get a practice there, none of the fluff that comes at the beginning or the end. And I'll also be uploading exclusive videos to this member site, videos that are a little bit longer, the videos that are a little bit more depth, a lot of the things that have been requested specifically by members or from emails that I've received will be loaded to that site, and those will be uploaded usually on a Sunday. I will continue uploading to YouTube on Thursday mornings, bright and early, so look forward to those videos as well. On the member site, you will get pre-release access to the YouTube videos. I will be pre-releasing the YouTube videos without all the fluff 2 weeks in advance, and those will be accessible on the member site as well. We also have a community forum on there, which is already growing very fast and is really exciting. People are getting to know each other, making friends, sharing their stories, asking questions. This is a great forum for me to be able to respond to your questions in more detail. It is a private forum just to the member site, so it's not publicly accessible. So the only people that get to see the responses on there are those that are on the member site, so it's much more privatized. I will also be having a live call every single month, so a live 30 to 40 minute call with everyone, sort of letting you kind of ask your questions. You can ask questions before that live call or during the live call. We'll all be either visually, you can turn your videography off, or you can leave it on, and we will ask questions on there as well. So things that come up in your mind or things that you wanted to ask a question and wanted some answers to, we get to kind of see each other face to face over the internet and talk in real time, which is kind of nice. And all of these things will be included on that member site. So there is a link down below that will let you kind of take a look at that. There is a 3-day trial period on that, so you can try that 3-day trial, take a look around, see if you see things that you want to practice more of or be more with, and then you can join at that point and stay on there. It is a month-to-month member community, so you can choose to be on there or not, month to month, or you can buy a year-long subscription to it as well. So I hope you will join me. I do want to express that this member site will be what I kind of call my other baby. So it will be the one that I really am focused on providing some really deeply healing practices, ones that will really reach out to people that have asked a lot of questions, people that have expressed a lot about their lives and what's going on in their lives personally and physically and emotionally and mentally. And I want to respond to those in a form that's a little bit more privatized. So I hope you will join me there. Please take a moment to just check it out if nothing else. And I hope to see you again soon, and either here on YouTube, on social media. Don't forget you can follow me on all my social media sites. I'm on Instagram. I'm now on Vero. Everybody's on Vero now. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Vero, Facebook. I'm also on Spotify. All those links are down below in the show notes. So I hope you will join me, take a look, and have a great day.